Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add text watermark to multiple photos online. Open your favorite browser. Go to iloveimage.com. Click on watermark image icon. Click on select JPEG images, or you can drag and drop the photos here. Select the photos on your computer and click open. In the right sidebar you can find two options: Add image and add text. Click on Add Text button. Double click on the predefined text to edit it. Use the toolbar at the top to change its font, size and color. After making the changes, click on the watermark text and drag it to your preferred position. As you can see, text watermark has been added to all the uploaded photos. Click on Watermark Images. Wait for few seconds. That's it, your images have been stamped. Click on Download Watermark Images button. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the folder and select Show in Folder. Extract the zip file. As you can see, watermark has been added to all the photos. This is how you can add text watermark to multiple photos online. Thank you for watching.